This is Romeo's laboratory. Romeo is experimenting. Runagar is working on a computer. Night Ninja is also there.
Yeah!
What are they making? They are very busy. It must have made a new weapon. Romeo and the villains are about to test a new weapon. Romeo shot a ray gun at Night Ninja. Then, Night Ninja became a giant. That's great! The experiment was successful.
Oh, yeah.
Romeo shot a ray gun at Night Ninja again. This time, Night Ninja is back to normal. Romeo and the villains drive away with weapons. Meanwhile, Connor, Amaya, and Greg are gathered in the village. A parrot flew in. Greg is feeding the parrot. At this time, Romeo and the villains came. To defeat the villains, they need the PJ Mask. Connor, Amaya, and Greg prepare to transform. Connor transforms into Catboy. Amaya transforms into Olive. Greg transforms into Gecko. PJ Masks stand in front of the villains.
Freeze!
Romeo turned the Night Ninja into a giant. Also, he made Runagar into a giant. And Romeo himself transformed into a giant. This villain is too big. Romeo knocked down Catboy. Runagar and Night Ninja knocked down Owlet and Gecko.
No.
It's in big trouble.
No.
Catboy is imprisoned with Owlet and Gecko.
No, 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 no! No, please! No!
At this time, a parrot flew away and stole Romeo's weapon. Romeo tries to catch the parrot, but the parrot escapes.
Oh no!
And the parrot made Catboy into a giant.
Oh, buggers!
Catboy broke down the iron cage door and came out. The parrot also made Gecko an olive giant. Olive broke through the iron cage door and came out. Gecko is broke down the iron cage door and came out. Catboy defeated Romeo.
Oh.
Ole took down Vinegar.
Oh no!
Gecko also took down Night Ninja. They've defeated all the bad guys. PJ Masks put the bad guys in prison. Catboy was given a weapon by a parrot. And he returned the villains to normal. PJ Masks turned into Connor, Amaya, and Greg again. They gave the parrot a tasty treat for an important task today.